Hey, want to make money just watching YouTube videos? Then, these are some payments people are getting every minute just watching YouTube videos and giving likes to them. If they can do it, why not you? I wish you to come by this website. This website allows us to make money online by just watching videos. I prefer you to click on this join button here, and then that's going to bring you to this page where you can register and sign up for free. So just complete your username, email address, and password. Secondly, for the location is that they'll automatically observe your location after that. Write the captions by organizing in whatever numbers you notice right here. Once you complete all the segments, just click this blue join button here. Once you're done signing out, this is what your dashboard would look like. Now I wish you to click on this YouTube switch here. As you can notice, it is place likes, dislikes, and subs. So I wish you to click on plays, and that will then bring you to this page where you can see YouTube videos and make money online. Now pay close attention. You have to see these videos for at least 35 seconds to win points. Once you win those points, you can then exchange them for actual cash. Now, when you watch this video, we win number of points. So all you have to do is click on this button here, and then that's going to bring you to that YouTube video right here. And when you go back to the last website, you can see that they begin the countdown for 35 seconds. Now, once you spend 35 seconds, you'll receive points. This tells you that you don't have to see the video activity. You can just stop the video right here. Go to the website, just stay for 35 seconds in to receive these points, as easy as that. Now, let me reveal to you these are the points that you're going to receive by seeing this video. So just click on this play button, and again, that's going to take you to YouTube. Just pause the video because you don't have to even watch it, and then go back to the website. Just stay for 35 seconds, and these points will be put in automatically to your balance. Now this is very easy. You can see as many videos as you like. So here is a bonus tip that you can receive much more. The tip is, if you're going to see this video right here to win this number of points, what you can realize is to open a new tab using your phone or your computer and watch another video and receive more and more points, because you can watch both videos at the exact time. This means that you don't have to wait for 35 seconds just to watch one video, and yes. This way, you can watch the 5 or even 10 videos at the exact time. So for example, you can open up this tab, click on playing, and see this video at the exact time. You can open up another tab, click on playing, and see the next video, and so on. Now this is a very cool and efficient way to watch 15 to 30 videos at the very time. Now, by watching a bunch of YouTube videos, you can earn a lot of money, much quicker compared to other people. So you can notice right here the pile of credit points put in automatically to your balance. By the way, this website is followfast.com. So here's another tab. Click on the gear icon here and make sure they can play the videos quickly by shipping to playback speed from normal to double. And then when you click on quality right here, by default sits on auto. Now, if you have very poor internet or you're using insufficient data, what you can do is select 144 right here, which is the poorest video quality accessible, and that's going to text you a lot of time and data. In this way, you can see a lot of videos more efficiently, so you can receive more money in a much lower time. So right now, let's jump onto the last bonus tale. When you click on daily bonus right here, you're going to appear on this page where you can claim daily or even hourly price points. Now, as you can notice here, 3 points every day. Log in daily, do 15 likes, and click on the button below to win bonus points. Congratulations, you have watched 67% of the strategy. Only 33% left, so continue watching. It's now you just have to log into your account every day and then watch as few as 15 videos, and then you can get at least 100 daily points by doing it. So now if you want to cash out your incomes, just click on this cash out button right here. And that's going to bring you to this page where you can select a payment method such as PayPal, Perfect Money, or Bitcoin, and much more. Now this is how it does once you receive points. By watching videos, you can then transform those points into actual money. The nicest part is they have a payment limit of only $1.50. This tells that you are just required to earn $1.50 to cash out your income dust because of their lowest payout policy. Once you are in $1.50, you can order a payout, and then you just have to wait for 3 to 5 business days to collect your money. This is a simple way for you to make money online. Only a limited number of people know about this, so use this strategy to your advantage. We work to make short but impactful videos, because your time is valuable and we honor that. So, if you like this type of content, then give us a like, and if you want more strategies like this, then subscribe to the Learn Earn YouTube channel so you don't miss any strategies to make money online this year. If you have any questions, then let us know by commenting down below. Our team will try to answer all of your questions. Note, it is not a get-rich-quick scam, and I'll not promise you, like other gurus on the internet, that you will make hundreds of thousands of dollars from this method. You will make money for sure. Subscribe, because new video is coming next week with new strategy.